Residents of St. Anne, St. Mary and Trelawney are now able to access the services of the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA a lot closer to home. The FLA opened an office in St. Anne which it says will stop many applicants and carriers from having to drive to St. James and Kingston to do business with the agency. Cody Barrett reports.
The Firearm Licensing Authority is often criticized for its inefficiency, including the time it takes to process applications. But on Friday, the agency made good on its commitment to find more ways to improve when it opened an office in St. Anne. The branch, located on Dairy Road in Discovery Bay, is to be the FLA's headquarters for the northern region of the country and will serve individuals from Trelawney, St. Anne and St. Mary.
Prior to the launch of this office, all the applicants, holders of firearm licenses, had to travel all the way to Kingston or Montego Bay to do business with the FLA. We believe in this decade and in this year, it must be a mantra of government at your service, bringing service to the people. And as a part of national security, we must offer security, privacy, and convenience to our stakeholders.
The FLA CEO, Shane Dalling, added that the agency's online tracking platform and other digital systems are helping with efficiency.
We have improved our security infrastructure by linking electronically with the Criminal Records Office, where individuals coming in to do their application as well as renewal are fingerprinted, and we know the results of their criminal background in 1 minute. Therefore, we are able to decipher between the good and the bad at the point of the application being received at the FLA. It's a vast improvement from where we had to wait for a criminal record report, which sometimes takes 3 to 6 months.
A laser engraving machine has also been secured by the FLA that helps to code all private firearms. Those codes are added to the FLA's database and can be assessed by police investigators probing certain crimes. Cody Barrett, TVJ News.